عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بكم إلى الحصة السادسة. Dear children, all are fine. كيف حالكم؟ كيفك؟ الحمد لله بخير. الحمد لله زين والحمد لله كويس والحمد لله. Okay. In the last class, we explained about huruf shamsiya and huruf al-qamariya. Huruf shamsiya means what? Do you remember? What was the meaning of shams? Shams means sun. What was the meaning of qamar? Qamar means moon. Okay. Huruf al-qamariya means moon letters and huruf shamsiya means sun letters. I said to you, if we have to get the meaning of the, we have to add alif and lam before a word. Example, shams. I added alif and lam before shams. Then, how did we say that? Ash-shams. You cannot hear the sound of lam clearly. And you can see after lam, shadda sign also there above the letter sheen. Isn't it? Ash-shamsu. If we are writing alone shams, we will write shamsun, double lomma. It means tenween, double lomma sign. Double lomma will be there, shamsun. Then, if we are adding alif and lam with that word, that tenween will be go from there. Okay, it will be go from there. We can't see tenween. Ash-shamsu, only one lomma will be there. Double lomma will not be there. Only one lomma will be there. Then we can read it ash-shamsu. Okay. Then if we are adding alif and lam before the word qamar, meaning of qamar is moon. Then how can we read it? Al-qamaru. You can hear the sound of lam clearly and you can't see that tenween. Tenween it will go from there. Okay, we can't see tenween if we are adding alif and lam before a word. This is the speciality of huruf shamsiya and huruf qamariya. I will show you the next example. That day we drew a big sun. Okay, big sun. Then we wrote al-huruf shamsiya. Al-huruf shamsiya. Or al-huruf al-qamariya we can write first. Al-huruf al-qamariya. Okay, then al-huruf al-shamsiya. Al-huruf al-shamsiya. Al-huruf al-qamariya and al-huruf al-shamsiya. We can divide like this and we can draw a big picture of sun or moon here. This is our moon. Then our shams. Okay, then shade it like this. Okay, this is moon and this is our shams. Sun and moon. Okay, Al-Qamar, this Qaf is a moon letter, because if we are reading Al-Qamar, we can hear the sound of lam clearly. Then Al-Huruf Shamsiyya, this sheen is the sun letter. Okay, we added alif lam, then we cannot hear the sound of lam clearly, and we can see shadda sign also. Then after this letter Shamsiyatu or Qamariyatu, tanween will be not there. Okay, this is our today's book. All of you look at the picture now, page number 19. You can see some pictures are there. We wrote some letters before that. I am not going to explain about that. Al-Asad, Al-Asad, alif is there. Alif we wrote in the huruful Qamariya, and boom, al-boom, we wrote ba here, and next one alif ba ta, tais, at-tais. Al-boomu, al-asadu, we can hear the sound of lam clearly, that's why I wrote here. And ta, at-taisu, taisun, at-taisu, we cannot hear the sound of lam clearly, that's why I wrote ta here. And sa'alab, as-sa'alab, as-sa'alab, we cannot hear the sound of lam clearly, that's why I wrote sa here. Alif ba ta sa. Then next one jim, al-jamalu, jim, we can hear the sound of lam clearly. Al-jamalu, the camel. Okay, the next one al-hisan, al-hisan, al-jisru, the bridge, jim we wrote for bridge. Al-jamal, al-jisru or al-jamalu, then lam sound is clear. The next one jim ha, himar, al-himaru, al-himaru, ha also we wrote in the moon letters, because we can hear the sound of lam clearly. Ha. Then ha, al-khaylu, al-khaylu, khaylu means horse, al-khaylu, ha, lam, we can hear the sound of lam clearly, that's why I wrote ha here. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, ha. The next letter is dal. We learned the letter dar, the word dar, dal, ad-daru, ad-daru. We can't hear the sound, we cannot hear the sound of lam clearly, that's why I wrote dal here. Then the, dhanab, ad-dhanab or dhi'b, wolf, ad-dhi'b. We wrote that dal also here, because we cannot hear the sound of lam clearly, that's why we wrote in this sun letters. Okay, then dal, dal, ra, rajul, ar-rajul, ra, rajul means man. If we are adding alif lam, we will read it ar-rajul, we cannot hear the sound of lam clearly, then it is ra, it is in the moon sun letters. Okay, rajul. Then za, az-zahra, zahra flower, az-zahra, the flower. Okay, za, we cannot hear the sound of lam, that's why we wrote zal also, zai also in this column. The next one jim, ha, ha, dal, dal, ra, zai. The next one seen, seen, sullam, ladder. If we are adding alif lam before sullam, we will get the sound as-sullam, as-sullam. We cannot hear the sound of lam clearly, then seen also here. The next one shams, we wrote it already, ash-shams. Ash-shams means the sun, sheen. We cannot hear the sound of lam clearly, then sheen also came here. Okay, ta, seen, sheen. The next one sod, sod. Okay, are you seeing a picture here? Soccer, soccer, eagle. Okay, or vulture, soccer, sod, as-sokuru, as-sokuru, as-sokuru. We cannot hear the sound of lam clearly, that's why I wrote sod also in this column, in the sun letters column. Seen, sheen, sod. Then dha, dar, adder. Okay, dar means adder. Ad-daru, ad-daru. We cannot hear the sound of lam clearly. Then dha also La also we can write in the column of huruf shamsiya. So, bo, to, lo, to. Can you see any picture with the to? To. We can see in this page, I think. Yes, here it is. Tubla. Okay. At-tubl. At-tubl. Then to also we wrote here. To. Then larf. Al-larf. Al-larf. Then we cannot hear the sound of lam clearly. Then la also we wrote there. To, la. The next one, ain. Ain. Inab. Inab. Al-inabu. Inabun. Al-inabu. We can hear the sound of lam clearly in this word. Then ain is a harful qamariya. Ain. Inab. Ain. Then ghain, ghurab, al-ghurabu. We can hear the sound of lam clearly. Then ghain also we wrote here. Inab, ghurab, ain, ghain, fa, fanas, al-fanasu, al-fanasu. Then fa also in huruf al-qamariya we can hear the sound of lam clearly. Here we cannot hear the sound of lam clearly. If we are adding alif and lam before these letters, we can hear the sound of lam clearly. But here, if we are adding alif and lam before these letters, we cannot hear the sound of lam clearly. Okay, did you understand the difference? I think you understood well. Okay. Fa. Then qaf, qird, qird, mangi. Al-qirdu, al-qirdu. You can hear the sound of lam clearly. Qa. Al-qirdu. Then qaf, kaf, kelb, al-kelbu. Then kaf also we wrote in huruf al-qamariya. Qaf, kaf. Then lam, lam. Okay. Lawh. You can see lawh. Lawh means slate. Okay, lawh, al-lawh, al-lawh. Then lam sound is not clear. This is the next lam sound. Okay, second letter lam. We can hear the sound of second letter lam, but we cannot hear the sound of first letter lam. Okay, we are adding alif and lam before lawh. We cannot hear the first lam sound. Okay, second lam only you are hearing. Okay. This is lawh, al-lawh. Lam also we can write in this column because we cannot hear the sound of lam clearly. Al-lawh, lam. Then mim, mim. Mouse, mouse, banana. Al-mouse. Then mim also here. Al-mouse. You can hear the sound of lam clearly. Al-mouse. Mim, noon, noon. Nabat, an-nabat. An-nabat. You cannot hear the sound of lam clearly. That's why we wrote noon in huruf shamsiya. Noon, ha, ha, vav, ha. Can you hear any picture? Hilal, hilal, crescent moon. Then al-hilalu, ha also we wrote here. Then vav, visam, visam, medal. Al-visam, al-visam, lam. Lam is clear. Then we wrote there wow. Then only one letter is remaining now. Ya. Ya. Al-yadu. Hand. Al-yadu. Lam is clear. Then we wrote here. Look at here. Count it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 letters are included in huruf al-qamariya. The next one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 letters are including huruf al-shamsiya. Did you understand? This 14 letters will be in huruf al-qamariya and this 14 letters will be in huruf al-shamsiya. 14 letters are sun letters. 14 letters are sun letters, 14 letters are moon letters. Okay, these are called moon letters. Moon letters, and these are called sun letters. Letters. Example, only one example I am showing you. This is Ash-Shams, Shamsun. What is the meaning of Shams? Shams means a sun. Shams means a sun. Then if we are adding alif and lam before, we will get the meaning ash-shamsu. Ash-shamsu means the sun. Okay. Then here I will show you the example. Qamarun. Qamarun means a moon. Qamarun means a moon. If we are adding alif and lam before that word, al-qamaru, we will get the meaning. We will get the meaning the moon. The moon. Okay. Now, did you understand? Qamarun, a moon. You can see one here double lamma, but here you can see only one lam. Okay. Then qamarun. If we are adding alif and lam before that, we can read it al-qamaru. Lam sound is clear. Then this letter is called huruful qamariya, and here al-shamsun, a sun. If we are adding alif and lam before that word, we can see that letter sheen. We cannot hear the sound of lam clearly. The meaning will be the sun. Did you understand well? Okay, all of you write in your notebook. If you can't write, if you can't copy from the board, I will send a notebook file. Okay. Okay, children. Today's work is over. Everyone should learn it properly, and we can meet again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.